what's going on, you all? About to do a secondary review here on the PedalBox just because it's so freaking amazing. This thing is crazy. And then also I'm gonna walk y'all through some steps. I missed a couple of steps in the last review, so I'm gonna walk y'all through a couple of the modes and stuff like that. It's my PedalBox. I have it parked on the side right there, if you can see. It's right there on the side. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the PedalBox. So basically, the way it works, the white, when you look at the white ring, that's stock. So that means that it's completely off. If you hit that button right there, boom, it'll take it to city. That's city mode. And then within each mode, you can go down and you can go up. So it's a little weird because when you hit the green and you go down, that actually means you're decreasing that power. And then when you go up, it takes it away, and then it'll go into red, and red means you're on the highest level. So it has 3 of the lower levels, and then it has 3 of the higher levels there. Okay, if you hit it again, that's sports mode. Now this is the mode that I usually keep it on, sports mode. And again, if you hit the plus, you'll get 3 reds. If you hit the minus, you can go down all the way down to 3 greens, which means you're decreasing that actual power. This is what I keep it on. This is what I feel comfortable with it. But when you're really just ready to burn some damn rubber and tear that shit up, then you can hit it again. Now you're in sports plus. And of course, in sports plus, you can decrease it down, by 3. Or you can increase it by 3. Same thing on all the modes. So that's basically what I wanted to tell you guys. That's the PedalBox. Sorry about that. It's pretty dope. So then also, as far as people asking me questions and stuff like that, does it void the warranty? It does not void the warranty. It doesn't even show a passcode in history either. So that's another good thing right there. And then one thing I noticed when I've been driving, you want to make sure that you don't change modes like while you're pressing on the gas pedal. I just noticed it act a little weird, just a little bit, not much. But I usually take my foot off the gas pedal and then change the mode. You don't have to come to a stop. You can if you want to, but you don't have to. You can still be rolling. But I wouldn't suggest actually pressing on the gas and then trying to change the mode at the same time. It just kind of jumps a little bit, and it's weird. So PedalBox, I'm telling you, scale to 1 to 10, as far as it doing what it says that it's supposed to do, I'm gonna have to give this this thing really impressed me. I'm gonna have to get it an 8.5 to a 9. So PedalBox, that's what it looks like. Pretty dope. Got the holster on the side. You can mount it pretty much anywhere you want in your car. And other than that, that's all I really wanted to tell y'all. I just wanted to do a little follow-up review on this thing because it's crazy amazing. The cost, you're looking at $299. If you want to purchase it, the description will be below in a link. You'll see it. $299 for regular price. If you punch in the coupon code HemiLife44, HemiLife44, you'll get $25 off. His page is pretty dope too. So if you all have any questions, you can comment. Make sure you like and please subscribe to the channel. And I'm gonna continue to bring y'all some dope content. Oh yeah, service announcement, bling bling. You already know, and them boys is blinging too. And I had to shoot from my iPad, so if it look a little grainy, I apologize. I'm running out of storage on my phone, but I'll be back in action. All right, y'all.